Hi, today we'll see the scratch test on glass. Already we have seen in a previous video about some details which gives you the difference between normal crystal, a diamond, and something called as corrundum and all. When you see a diamond, almost square in shape. When you take this one and keep it, square in shape. When we say a crystal, when you say a small piece of crystal, I've taken it, we can see all the sides. And at the edges you can see triangular ones. In diamonds also, when we see, you are having this triangular one. We'll see two scratch tests today. One is made on glass, another on corrundum. We'll take a glass, normal glass, on which we are first making a scratch with the help of a crystal. This is a crystal. We are doing a scratch with this crystal. When you see that a scratch has occurred, the scratch is little lighter. Next we will do it with a diamond. This is the one which is made with the help of a one. We'll take a diamond and we'll scratch it. See the difference in both the things that has occurred. When you use a diamond, it gives you a deep cut. When you are using, we have used a crystal which gives a normal cut. Here you can see a deep cut. Once again we will see it. We are taking the diamond, and we are scratching it. See, again we'll do it. See, when you cut with a diamond, you are having a clear scratch. With a crystal, you are having a normal scratch. This is a deep scratch. That is one thing you can just take into consideration. When you want to test a diamond, you can take a corrundum piece. This is a corrundum that you get it. Normal corrundum, and you are taking both this once and you are scratching it. See, nothing has happened on the diamond. But when you take a corrundum, see here, it has been scratched. So when you see a diamond and a corrundum, diamond cuts anything, but if you say that it is unbreakable, it is not like that. If you take a hammer and hatchet, means it will break down into pieces. That is different. This hardness is different. If you scratch on this corrundum also, see, corrundum is breaking. You can see this place, and nothing has happened to the diamond, any sides you can see. Okay. Nothing has happened to it. When you say same with the crystal, you can see that crystal breaks into it because corrundum grade is little more. Okay, it is not like that. Everything that you say as gemstones or corundums or anything. Okay, stones are graded according to the things we do it. Okay, this two things we do it for scratch test, and another one test we do is when you see it, you can't exactly see what is underneath. Okay, the thing differs. Okay, when you use a crystal, it does not change. Okay, so first we made a glass test and we have seen it. When you have seen it, we can see deep cuts are there in the glass which are made by your diamond, and normal scratches are there due to your crystals. Okay, this is the first test that can be done. Okay, next thing, you can verify the shapes. Okay, it will be exactly more than a square or something. Okay, if it is diamond, crystal will be having 6 sides. Okay, anything. Okay, you will be having 6 sides in a crystal. Okay, but you won't be having same things in a diamond. Next we saw is we can take a corrundum piece, you can scratch on it. Okay, corrundums are also normal crystals, any value, okay, are less graded than diamonds. Okay, when you have scratched, see there are scratches that has happened in corrundum, but you can see, you can always verify that nothing has happened on the diamond. Okay, you can also verify it and you can see nothing is there on the happened on the diamond. Okay, like this you can easily do scratch tests on your home.